a second now. We have some new arrivals today. In this case, Ufa 777 and yeah, or something like that. They should explain themselves, I think. Anyway, they are on the plane now. You'll be jumping. One block. Inspire. Really? What's up with those blocks? I don't know. Oh, the fruit is here. Always say hi. It's a polite thing to do. Now we wait. Oh, Jufrid's actually here. Oh, no, he went. Bye-bye. Probably GameSpy going like, welcome to GameSpy Airlines. These are the safety measures on this flight. You will find your emergency exits on the left and the right side of the plane. How long does it take to get people to jump off a plane? Like seriously. Give them the parachute, tell them what to do, let them go. Fly, be free. But no, here we sit and wait. Nope, it's gonna take forever. I'm bored. And you know when you're getting bored, and that's when you miss the moment, of course, because that's how it always goes. So I have to patience. Not my best trait, ever. No. Door isn't even open. Okay. Now is your time. Jump. No, still not. Okay. Any minute. Any second. Maybe now? How about now? No. No, of course not. They have to keep me waiting. And I wait. And I wait. Oh dear God. Just jump. It's not that hard, you know. It's one leg and then just the other and then you just fall, you know. But no. I'll wait. Just push him out. It's not that hard. Why is there even a lever on the outside of the plane, you know? Like in midair, somebody's just gonna open the door. That seems weird. And a safety hazard. Getting dark again even. I'm losing all my precious lighting. How long is this introductory speech, you know? What can he say? Welcome, bienvenue to this French, English, SMP server. Je suis GameSpy, the mayor of this place, yeah. Et merde. Ah, oui. Bienvenue. No? I don't know French, you know, it's all Chinese to me. Oh dear God, why? Hurry up. Also kind of cruel to just, like, well, you're new to a server and, hey, welcome. Jump out of an aeroplane. Who comes up with this shit? It's the French. But I'll wait. You know, I'm a patient man. In theory. Maybe they don't like GameSpy's instructions. Could be. Jump. No. This one piece is gonna drive me nuts, dude. Oh, coming to the front. Okay. This could be it. The door opens. Are they coming? Just jump from the plane. Oh, dear God, what are they? Oh, that's not fair.
Yeah, I'm stuck on a tree. Please.
Me too. I think we're on the same tree.
Hey, you again! Great jump.
Seriously, the spyglass is totally worthless. I couldn't even see you guys up there.
Because
Well-
it's an
Hello.
What?
Where's
Bru-
Welcome, Wolfa, by the way. Also,
Oh,
you missed
no.
Thank you.
you missed one of the frames, by the way.
I
the
think he
plane.
died in the explosion.
What explosion?
Explosion.
No. What? No, no. I didn't drink a cup of tea on the plane command. And
Oh, you actually have a story up there? Oh, you're fucking awesome.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
You have a script and everything?
I told you every event will be script. Nothing
it.
will be. Nothing will be.
There's effort into this. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Line, please. No clue. But you missed one of your frames. Oh,
There he is.
You're live.
oh, thank God. Is this Moses?
Good.
No, it's Gandalf.
Okay. Much more timely, by the way. Welcome.
Hey.
A wizard appeared. Whoa.
Spyglass is
Oh,
like
oh,
totally
sorry.
useless.
Yeah. I don't know if I need to put a mod that we can see further.
Well, I was filming it. I was like, maybe one of them will splatter to their glorious death, but no, they all land safely. That's why I'm here every time a new guy arrives.
It's horrible.
It's worst content ever. But welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I hope you were die, but welcome.
Well,
It's horrible.
you know, it's the day and age we live in. We need this kind of content.
It's just for the TV show. Oh,
Well, it'll be on
a
YouTube.
TV show. Oh, I will make a TV show. Oh la la. Oh, like a Ninja Warrior. Oh, what an idea.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Anyway,
Okay.
Yes.
Let's visit a little the. You
oh, your
stopped,
English is really
with-
improving, GameSpy.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, in only 3 weeks. Oh,
Yeah,
my
no.
teacher is
You don't even
really-
need to school anymore.
That's what I told them. All muscularity.
No school needed.
Ah.
You got graduated. Congratulations.
Thank you. That's cool.
Anyway,
isn't,
I'm gonna go. Good luck with the tour,
Yeah.
people, and welcome
Yes. Thank you.
again. Bye bye.
well, yeah. See you.
Bye. Nice meeting you.
See you next time.
They didn't even die. Ah.